श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम। सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्धसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बिके गौरी नारायणि नमोस्तुते। Hello everyone, let us know about the October monthly horoscope results. The trans results are, which I say will happen only 60%. Birth horoscope results are 90%. Astrology is just an index of science. The 100% results are only for sakes. This is the thing you all have to understand and follow me. I hope you all will follow for sure. The Virgo results are as follows. The results in the first, third and fourth week are average. Negative results in the second week. You will have a lack of patience which may affect your way of working. Your arrogance may affect your domestic harmony. You are advised to think twice before doing any type of financial transactions and signatures. You are advised to avoid rash driving and adventurous tours. Your old health issues related to lungs, nervous system and kidneys are maybe arise. Take proper care and concern towards your health. Do not take unnecessary advices from others about investing money in the share markets and speculations. You may have the complete loss in it. There are no chances of accessing the money through gambling and lotteries. There are high chances of losing the production in the industrial sector. The high crop damage to the farmers due to fake seeds or heavy rains. The excessive profit to the farmers who grow crop like legumes, maize, jowar, millets, jaggery and tamarind. Perfect educational gain to the students in the first, third and fourth week. Students have to work hard to achieve great success in their competitive exams like IELTS, GRE, TOEFL, Law, CAT, GRE and other competitive exams too. The students have to go into depth study during second week. It is better for students to recite Hayagriva Stotram and Sri Medha Sukta Parayanam to gain more knowledge. Lovers are advised not to take important decisions in terms of their marriage during second week. The lovers are more likely to unite with the consent of adults in the first, third and fourth week. Wife and husband will have the more conflicts. Try to improve better understanding between your spouse. Defame to the Vedic scholars and priests. The humiliation to those who work in the government and private jobs. There are slight transfer opportunities to the bank employees in the first, third and fourth week. Your high gains will convert into high losses. Pregnancy can be through IVF only. It is better for pregnant women not to step out from the house. The pregnant women should take proper care and concern toward their health. High insult to those who are in the political arena. The burgeoning profit to the directors, short filmmakers and producers in the first, third and fourth week. Beneficial profit to the LIC, medical and housing agents. The confounding profit to the event management, pot makers, interior and exterior paint designers. There are no chances of hearing to the good news from the marriage bureau and consultancy. The property related conflicts with the adults or siblings will be resolved. The business overabundance to the gold and silver traders. Great development for those who work in the cement, pharma, liquor, construction, real estate sectors. The people who are working in endowment department will have a very great profit and developments and the transfers is there. The great development to those who work in dairy and poultry industries. Disputes over green card, permanent residency, H1B visa will be solved. The dependent visa will surely convert into independent visa. There are high opportunities to go to abroad. The fishermen will be at loss. Do not go into the sea for fishing. Disruption to the textile, tailoring and handloom industries. Disagreements with the producers and directors, whoever actors or actresses. Hotel and liquor businesses will be at great profit. The slight disadvantages for those who work in the leather, resin and furniture industries. You are advised to avoid overconfidence, otherwise you will make some wrong decisions due to silly mistakes. Do not plan to renovate your house or office in this month. You will not gain happiness or prosperity after renovating. You might face some hurdles in the professional field. In the partnership business, you are advised to avoid new innovation. It is better to reduce the anger and irritability towards anyone. You can purchase two-wheeler or four-wheeler vehicle in first, third and fourth week. Do not invest money to purchase second-hand vehicles. Judgment from the court are more likely to occur in the second and third week. Chances from the court verdict will be decreased in the first and fourth week. The great profit to steel, mining and petroleum industries. The construction, pharma and real estate workers will have an incredible benefits. The merchants and labor workers will have high results. Your false words can alienate your favorite people on third week. The wrong things that children do without the consent of adults may put you at risk on second week and fourth week. Be careful while you are speaking with others and don't lose your bonded relationship with them. You are advised to postpone making investments into the business. Livestock are susceptible to disease in the dairy and poultry industries. You will not be able to complete your work on time. The chances of getting loan sanctions are high. Your status in the society will be heightened and you would be honored. You may also make a new friends who are highly educated and gentle people to be with. During the third week, most of you will be facing difficult time when you are comes to manage your old enemies. You will have an acquired of comfortable lifestyle. You are likely to gain happiness from your children. The amount which was stuck in the last month will be recovered. You have to build your confidence, strength and prosperity in every work you do. You can't give the best in every work you do. Try to improve yourself. There are high chances of terrible fire hazards in the industries on second, fourth week. There are no chances of perform in pilgrimage services. The drivers and automobiles dealers will have a very great profits in the first, third and fourth week. The great results to those who work in the electrical business. Worship God every day and recite Lalita Sahasranama Parayanam, Bhagavad Gita 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 verses and donate clothes and books to the children who are in needy to get positive results. This month is very auspicious for everyone in the first, third and fourth week except in the second week. I want everyone to lead a happy life, prosperity, health and wealth in this month and every month too. Enjoy every moment happily. Have a beautiful month. Respected viewers, I owe you an apology for the grammatical errors I have done. I take full responsibility for my actions and I will try to recollect my mistakes and at least do a bit better in my upcoming videos. I am telling always this one because any people can give me any information about it. I will try to better the speech in upcoming videos. Thank you. Namaskaram. Have a wonderful month. Thank you. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Swasti Prajabhya Paripalayantam Nyayena Margena Mahim Maheshaha Gobrahmanebhya Shubhamastu Nityam Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu.